5-0 win and put them back in the second tier for the first time. What do you think of that?
What an end to the season, Del. After the disappointment of obviously not winning the league, it was. In all honesty, the season up until today has been slightly disappointing. We set ourselves targets at the start of the season to get to cup finals and to win the league, and unfortunately that didn't happen. We fell short of that objective, but to give them this opportunity today, to give them this second chance, I think it's brilliant. So in all honesty, thanks to the FAW for putting this playoff game on. I think the fact that they've done it, I think it shows today with 1,300 people here supporting both clubs. It shows that competition that competition in terms of putting the playoff final on is that opportunity rather is fantastic. It's been brilliant. It's a brilliant opportunity, and it'll be the same next season for the two that finish runners up, because it gives you that second chance to get that promotion spot. And like I said, lost for words in terms of I'm elated. I'm absolutely buzzing. It's been quite an anxious week, obviously nervous, excited, mixed emotions, but the boys have been absolutely fantastic today. To a man, they were unbelievable. They stuck to the game plan, they delivered on it, and their preparation, their mentality, their work rate, their desire, their hunger, their want to do it was obvious to see today, and that was the best we played.
Certainly is the best we played. We played well in a couple of games recently, but that was best. And to score 5 goals as well in a game where was riding on it, which is incredible. And the chances on the other side were minimal as well. Defence held out.
I mean, the game itself, obviously, it was. They say I told the players play the game and not the occasion today, and that's what we did. I think the game itself was. We started really well. I thought we controlled the play in the first sort of 15-20 minutes, and then we started to get slightly we got slightly predictable. We started with the 3 at the back, and we got a bit predictable, and Caersws was starting to just get to grips with the game. So I felt that we needed a change. So tactically, we just changed the system slightly, tweaked it, put Caersws down the middle, and that was the difference, because once that boy was down the middle, he made unselfish runs in behind, and he got his rewards. He took his first 2 goals exceptionally well, and we scored that second goal, particularly that second goal at a vital time, literally just on the half-time whistle. So going in at half-time, the lads were elated, and we were prepared for a second half,
Yeah, it was great, and 5 goals of a great standard as well to make sure of the win. The cup is in your hands.
It is. Cheers, Doc.
Yeah, nothing in it as yet, Craig. I don't think so. But by tonight,
it's full as it is,
full, but there will be memories from today going on. Make sure that you capture them later on today, and then build on what happened today for the start of July, August, and next season in Tier 2.
Well, it's a quick turnaround, isn't it, now? Because we're probably going to give the lads 3 weeks off, and unfortunately they're going to have to come straight back in. We need to improve the squad. We need to improve the numbers. This season has been one of the most frustrating things, is we've had so many missing. We've picked up long-term injuries, short-term injuries, and lads that are absent for a variety of reasons, and that's played its part this season. However, we've got here today with a full squad, and they've showed with the strength in depth that we have that they can compete at another level, and that's what they did this afternoon. No disrespect to Caersws at all. They turned up today, and the game was just as important to them. They come here and put up a real good battle, but I felt that we were far more superior than what they possibly maybe expected. And on the day, like you said, we took our chances that have fallen to us in an absolute clinical and ruthless way. And I thought towards the end of the game it possibly could have been more, but that doesn't matter. The scoreline doesn't matter. What matters is that we've won, and we've got game promotion for this club. And we met the train when it arrived at 11 o'clock this morning, and it was amazing to see over 200 people get off that train, and then to see 1,300 around the pitch cheering and singing and getting behind this club. I think we haven't said it enough this season. We've travelled. Tier 3 was a new sort of venture for the boys. Yeah, it was, and for the club itself. We've travelled far and wide this season, and it's been difficult. We've gone to some really difficult places, and it's been a good experience for the players. But every time we've gone away, the fans have been with us. At home, we've had over 250 week in, week out. and it's been unbelievable. So for the supporters, I'm probably more pleased, and to the hard-working volunteers of the club who have wanted success for a long time, who have worked hard tremendously on and off the field to make sure that the club keeps striving forward. You know, our facilities are next to none. They're brilliant at the moment. The pitch is getting work done on it now, and it's going to be a great opportunity now for us to get back into Tier 2 and look forward to playing at some fantastic clubs and giving it a real good go.
That's the idea for next season. What's the day? Diolch yn fawr, Craig.
Cheers, Del. Diolch, boys. Iechyd da.